Today, we're learning how to loop playback, a super handy feature for reviewing specific parts of your timeline over and over without having to press play repeatedly. Let's jump in. To enable loop playback, head to the controls bar below the preview window and click on this small looping icon appear on the playback controls, confirming that it's active. Now, when you play your timeline, it will automatically loop back to the start once it reaches the end. This is great for reviewing edits, transitions, or effects without interruption. If you want to loop a specific section of your timeline, first set in and out points. Move your playhead to the start of the section. Press I on your keyboard to set the in point, then move it to the end and press O for the out point. Now, playback will loop only within the selected range. To turn off looping, simply go back to the playback menu and click loop again to deselect it. And that's it. Looping playback is a simple but essential tool for refining your edits and getting everything just right. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more DaVinci Resolve tips.